Hi everybody, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great, and today I'm here to talk something on the immunity. Immunity is these days quite famous topic to talk on, but yeah, I really want people to focus on the immunity not only during these pandemic times or winters or summers, but it's something to be taken care of throughout the year. And so I'll just share what I feel about it, and what my take on it, which I generally share with uh, my groups as well. So what is immunity? Immunity is nothing but the ability to respond to certain adverse conditions, germs, bacteria. So for an example, if we get the tear due to dust, or we sneeze due to dust, so all of these are body's reaction towards the different bacteria, viruses, flus. So what happens? The brain sends the signal to the fighter cells called the T cells, and then the reaction starts, and that's what we call the immunity. Immunity is the ability to take the defense mechanism. So all these reaction starts, and the more active and better reaction starts when you have a very high immunity, good immunity. So, our immunity is nothing but the efficiency of the system, the reaction of the brain, the fighting capacity of the cells inside the body, and yes, the organ strength to keep functioning against it. So, only the fruits and vegetables will not solve the problem. So, just for an example, a smoker can have fruits and vegetables every day. He might able to fight against the bacteria and the flus, but then there's a probability that lungs doesn't support. So it's your organs, it's your cells, and the brain signals all when combined together, work together, then the immunity works very well. So that's what I really wanted to share, that just having the fruits and veggies is not a solution. So when I talk about and think about the immunity, the first thing that comes to my mind is the lifestyle. It's the mixture of your exercise, your hydration, your bone strength, and your hormonal changes that happens in the body, that has to be proper, your brain health, your balanced nutrition, and yes, along with the vitamins and minerals. So all these together, when clubbed together, they make the proper immune system. So essential vitamins, minerals are important and needs to be taken every day. So essential, when I say, it means the ones which our body cannot make. So irrespective of what the time is, what the season is, so we do not have to restrict ourselves for only the summers or the winters or during the pandemic times to take care of the immunity. It's something to be taken care of throughout the year, and that's how you'll be able to develop your immunity. So make sure that whenever you think about the immunity, it's do not make it as a short term goal, make it as a real big goal, and take care of it throughout the year and not during certain timings. And yes, last but not the least, lifestyle is the biggest contributor for a stronger immunity, and nutrition is just a part of it.